Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account that will own purchases and app licenses. Once signed in, make sure Windows 11 is up to date and store access isn't blocked by parental controls or policies. Next, open Start, type Microsoft Store, and launch it. This gets you into the app quickly so you can search, browse, and manage installs. Once done, check the top right account icon to confirm your signed-in identity before moving to browsing and downloads. You now find apps by typing keywords or tapping categories like games or productivity. This narrows options fast. Once you pick a candidate, read the details pane for size, required permissions, ratings, and update cadence so you understand ongoing costs and storage use. When ready, click Get for free apps or Buy to complete a purchase. Then choose a saved payment method or redeem a code. Make sure to review optional in-app purchases and review permissions before confirming the download. You finish by watching the download and install progress in Library, where you can pause, resume, or cancel. Once installed, decide whether to enable automatic updates or manage updates manually from Library updates so apps stay secure. If an app fails to install, try signing out and back into your Microsoft account, reset the Microsoft Store app from settings, and run the Windows Store troubleshooter. This fixes most cache or licensing issues. If problems persist, reboot and retry the install process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.